everybody, this is Varsha Abhishek here. Okay, I know you guys are all puzzled and wondering as to what am I doing here. I'll get back to that a little later, but before that I would want to tell you guys that Snackaholic has come up and launched something very new called the Snacky Saturdays. Yes, the Snacky Saturdays, and I'm so overjoyed to be their first speaker. So basically, this program is all about how your daily snack can be healthy, tasty and nutritional, plus supportive to all the age groups, because their main motto is to love the art of having food. Isn't that so thoughtful? Definitely it is. So again, coming back to what am I doing here? Yes, so that's why I'm here to educate you and talk about yours and mine's easily available vegetable, beans. Yes, you heard that right, beans. So I'm sure you guys are wondering as to why beans among so many other easily yummy vegetables available. I'll tell you why beans. Because beans is firstly my favorite, and also I'm sure you guys are aware that beans is very good for the folic acids and fiber content. But there is also something that you guys aren't aware of, and that is beans is very good for your eyes. Yes, you heard that right, beans is very good for your eyes. And also there are close to 140 varieties of beans. So I basically like this dish because it's a wholesome dish, because you can have it served hot or cold, and also it is very good for your stomach because it helps in digestion, and it's also very rich in its proteins and vitamins. So what are you waiting for? Dig into this super yummy delicious snack and do let me know how it is, because you are what you eat. So I'm here not just to informate you guys about beans, but I'm also here to give you a quick snack recipe on beans. So what do you need for that is, I've just taken French beans here because it's easily available everywhere, and also for me to choose that is because it's homegrown. So what I've done with those beans is that I have finely chopped them, but you can choose to chop them however you want. So before sauteing the beans, what I've done here is I've steamed the beans to say about 2 to 3 minutes, because the only reason I steam those vegetables is because it keeps the beans fresh and it retains its color. And why I also steam them is because it reduces the cooking process. So quickly after you steam those beans, keep it aside, then take a tawa or a pan, however it suits you, and just add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. After the oil is heated up, just add in chopped garlic and allow it to turn a little brownish. Add the steamed beans to the pan or the tawa and gently saute them for say about 2 to 3 minutes, and avoid closing the lid while sauteing, only because it retains the crispiness and crunchiness of the beans. So try avoiding closing lid while sauteing the vegetables. And after that, the ingredients I choose to add into the salad is very simple and very easily available. I have just used chili flakes, oregano, salt, pepper and freshly cut basil because it gives a lovely flavor to the salad, and also a pinch of brown sugar because it enhances the taste. And yes, after that give it a nice stir and add in chopped coriander, and voila, it's ready. Quickly transfer it to a serving bowl, and so here goes my super easy, super quick bean salad. So here you go, I'm having it. Super yum, quick, easy and nutritional factor included bean salad. Do try. Lastly, thank you so much Snackaholic for this lovely chance you guys have given to me, because this was so overwhelming to me. So thank you Snackaholic, and to everybody who's watching it. So bye bye, and also remember to have a healthy day, because a healthy day leads to a happy and a positive day. See ya. Thank you.